Good afternoon, students. Welcome to JCE Connect channel. Today we'll take two problems on force. The first problem is a point charge Q1 is 300 microcoulomb is located at 1 minus 1 minus 3 meter. Experiences a force 8ax minus 8ay plus 4az due to a point charge Q2 and which is placed at 3 minus 3 minus 2 meter. Determine Q2. Now I will just represent the points in three-dimensional. This is x, y and z. The first point 1 minus 1 minus 3. So I'll place like this. This is origin 0 0 0. X-axis is 1. Approximately 1 I'll consider this much. 1. Y-axis is minus 1 means somewhere here minus 1. Z-axis is minus 3 means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So point P is plus 1, minus 1, minus 3. It will come here. One more point is at 3, minus 3, minus 2. 3 means x-axis 1, 2, 3 approximately here. Y-axis is minus 3 means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 approximately here. And Z-axis is minus 2 means minus 1, minus 2 somewhere here. The point A is 3, minus 3, minus 2. This point charge Q1 300 microcoulomb is experiencing the force. So direction is from A to P. So formula FAP is equals to Q1 Q2 4 pi epsilon naught epsilon R AP square, because P is experiencing the force because of A. So direction is from A to P. So force direction is also AP, R is also AP and AP. Now we are supposed to calculate RAP. RAP is given as root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square plus z2 minus z2 square. It's a root. So P minus A component. So this component minus this component in three-dimensional, in Cartesian coordinate. So 1 minus 3 square plus minus 1 plus 3 square minus 1 plus 3 square minus 3 plus 2 square. So RAP is approximately will get 3. In the calculator if you substitute will get 3. Similarly calculate AAP. AAP is given as AP by AP magnitude. So AP is again P minus A in the vector form. So P minus A in the vector form means 1 minus 3 is minus 2AX, minus 1 plus 3 is plus 2AY, minus 3 plus 2 is minus AZ divided by root of AP magnitude, its magnitude, root of this magnitude. So minus 2 square plus 2 square minus 1 square. So we get minus 2AX plus 2AY minus AZ divided by 3. Substitute R and A in force formula. So FAP is given as Q1 is 30 microcoulomb, Q2 is Q2. So 30 microcoulomb, we are supposed to calculate Q2 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught is 8.854 10 raised to minus 12, epsilon R is 1, RAP square means 3 square into AAP is minus 2AX plus 2AY minus AZ divided by 3. Now if I calculate this in the calculator, if I substitute, I get approximately Q2 as it is 1 lakh into minus 2AX plus 2AY plus minus AZ. Substitute from here till here all the values except this, will get this much answer, 1 lakh. Then FAP is given. It is given in the problem FAP as it is given in the problem FAP as 8AX minus 8AY plus 4AZ. So I'll substitute that value FAP as 8AX minus 8AY plus 4AZ equal to Q2 into 1 lakh into minus 2AX plus 2AY minus AZ. Take here common as 4. Then I'll be having 2AX minus 2AY plus AZ. Take here common minus Q2 1 lakh plus 2ax minus 2ay plus az. These two terms will go, then q2 is equals to then we'll get q2 is equals to 1 divided by 4 divided by, this is q2 is equals to 4 divided by 1 lakh. So we will be having 40 microcoulomb minus 40 microcoulomb. q2 is equals to, how will find q2? This 4 divided by this answer. Then I'll have so much. This is q2 value. Then I'll go for the second problem. Second problem is 10-point charges of 50 microcoulomb each are placed equally on a circle of radius 2 meter. Means how the diagram will be in the three-dimensional plane. This is x, y and z. 10-point charges are there. They are 50 microcoulomb each. They are placed equally on a circle of radius 2 meter. This is 2 meter radius circle. This is 2 meter. And how much? 10 charges are there. This is one charge, second charge, third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They are equally spaced. 10 charges are there. One is here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Find the force on a charge of minus 20 microcoulomb. Minus 20 microcoulomb, where it is placed? At a distance of 2 meter from the circle. This is as good as it is a base. From here 2 meter means approximately here. Coordinates are 0, 0, 2. Coordinates of this is 0, 2, 0. We'll take out of 10 only one charge we will take and find the force on this. I'll mark this as A and this as P. There are 10 charges on a circle. We are finding the force on P because of these 10 charges. So what we will do, we'll take only one charge and multiply with the 10. Or we'll add it 10 times. Because all the charges are of equal amount. They are of 50, all are of 50 microcoulomb. So I'll take only one charge. Force from A to P formula is Q1 Q2 upon 4 pi epsilon R AP square into AAP. Because we are finding the force from A to P. Now Q1 charge is 50 micro and Q2 charge minus 20 micro divided by 4 pi epsilon naught epsilon R RAP square into AAP. I'll find RAP. RAP is root of P minus A components. P minus A means this minus this. 0 minus 0 square 0. 0 minus 2 square minus 2 square plus 2 minus 0 square. So you'll get 2 root 2. AAP is AP vector by AP magnitude. Again P minus A in the vector form. P minus A in the vector form. So 0 minus 0 is 0 AX. 0 minus 2 is minus 2 AY. 2 minus 0 is plus 2 AZ divided by root of this magnitude. 0 square plus minus 2 square plus 2 square. So we will be having minus 2 AY plus 2 AZ divided by 2 root 2. 2 you take common here. So minus AY plus AZ divided by root 2. Substitute in the force formula. Substitute in this formula. If we substitute in the formula, then FAP will be having FAP as one charge is 50 micro, one more is minus 20 micro, 4 pi, epsilon naught is 8.854, 10 raised to minus 12, epsilon R is 1, RAP square means 2 root 2 square into AAP is minus AY plus AZ divided by root 2. If you enter this in the calculator, you will get the answer as minus 0.7954 into minus AY plus AZ. If I multiply this, we will be having plus 0.7954 AY minus 0.7954 AZ. Now just see in the diagram. Because of one charge, the force is here, FAP. It is resolved into two coordinates. One is Z and one more is Y, minus AY, and one more is AZ. Same thing we have got in the expression also, which is minus AY plus AZ. If I take its opposite charge and if I find the force here, even it is resolved into plus AZ and plus AY. AY component will get cancelled out. Only AZ component will be added. I'll repeat once again. Because of one charge, if we find the force on P, it is resolved into AZ and AY minus AY. Its opposite point if we take and if we find the force, it is resolved into plus AZ and plus AY. Minus AY plus AY will go. So we'll have only AZ component will be added. So I can write like this. Due to the symmetry, the Y component will get cancelled out. So it is equated to 0. Y component will be cancelled out. It is equated to 0. Only Z component will be added. Only Z component will be added. Therefore, the net force will be force on P is equals to 10 times force from A to P. So 10 times minus 0.79, only I am supposed to take only AZ component. So minus 0.7954 AZ, or it is minus 7.954 AZ Newton. This is the force on point P because of 10 charges. Thank you.